Hello everyone! In today's video I will show you how to fix it when Excel is trying to access a printer and basically stops responding for a long time. The problem might be in a specific workbook, or perhaps it could be in general. In my case, it's a bit more subtle and appears whenever I try to open one of these menus with the small arrow. Here's what happens. A message appears in the status bar and the program simply freezes, taking around a minute to show me the dialog. If I try to close it, it stops responding. So, I've prepared two ways in which you can try to fix the problem. Alright, here's fix number 1. Open the settings app on your PC and go to Bluetooth and devices. Then, open printers and scanners. Here, you will see all the printers installed on your computer. In my case, I had two printers which I stopped using a long time ago. As you can see, this one was last used in 2022. Removing these obsolete printers, which are obviously inaccessible, will stop Excel from checking if they are ready to print, thus reducing the time it takes to open a menu, a workbook, or the print dialog. One less device driver also means one less thing Windows needs to load, and it might even speed up your PC a little. You might also need to restart the computer after this step and open Excel afterwards, though in my case it wasn't necessary. It fixed itself right away. Now, if you don't have such obsolete printers, here's fix number 2. The idea is to set the default printer manually to something which is always ready. Turn off the setting Let Windows manage my default printer. You can see the current default printer now. Your best bet is to set it to a software-defined printer, such as Microsoft Print to PDF, because obviously it will be always available and ready. Not being a physical device that connects to the PC means that this printer will be very quick to actually load, so anytime Excel tries to access it, it will always communicate with it practically in an instant. Alright, thanks for watching the whole video, hope it helps. Please subscribe to the channel for more content and I'm waiting for you in the next video.